So here we are today with our most recent core install. Belongs to the West Union Police Department from up in Northeast Iowa. They've gone with a full Whelen core and Weekend X setup here. Everything you see on the vehicle is compatible with the core, including the FST and RST, which is the silicone technology inner edges. They are Weekend X, which means they are capable to work with the core and do the core features and flash patterns. When people see the core, there's no change in the vehicle for the customer. It all looks exactly the same. Same faceplate they've been used to for years with the 21 buttons, and it works exactly the same. So we'll start with our slide switch one here. As you can see on the back here, we have something called the DVI patterns that Whelen offers on the back. It's a fade in, fade out. It's a nice pattern. It's more attention. It causes safer attention getting to the people on the road when you're on the side of the road or on a scene. This is what you would see in your rearview mirror if this vehicle came up behind you. It has the white flashing with the red and blue. It's a little crazy, I know, but this is what catches your eyes. This is what will catch your eyes as someone going on the road or someone that is being pulled over or needs to get attention. So as we put this vehicle in park, it goes back down to that DVI pattern. DVI is flashing here at 60 flashes a minute, which is the SAE standard for anything on the road. It has to flash at a minimum of 60 flashes a minute. So here you see that being done here with the Whelen Intelligent Control. Our new cruise pattern that we use in all of our vehicles, which is a ramp up, ramp down, a little flicker here, if you will, for when you're on scene for long times to kind of get a little attention so that you don't have to have the obnoxious lights flashing like crazy the whole time. On the back of the vehicle here, we do have the TA toggle, which is part of the Whelen Intelligent Control here on the back. As you see, we set this up so that it has 6 seconds of amber in any directional traffic advisor, and then you get the flicker of 2 to 3 seconds of blue, just to kind of say, hey, we're law enforcement, we're here on the side of the road. It kind of gets, we've found, and it's been noticed nationwide, that this actually catches the attention of drivers more than just having the amber on the side of the road. Lastly, this has an integrated howler system with it, with the sirens. Which is a low frequency siren meant for the attention of drivers in a more dense area, more populated area, or just people who are distracted while they're in their vehicles.